and welcome. Here is another question on arithmetic series. That is the arithmetic progression. We have the sum of the first 21st term, 21 terms of an AP is 28, and the sum of the first 28 terms is 21. Our task is to show that one term of the progression is 0 and find the sum of the preceding term. Now, to solve this question, the first thing to do is to set up the equation or the formula for calculating the sum of the first n terms of an AP, that is arithmetic progression. So the formula for calculating the sum of the first n terms of an AP or arithmetic series is or can be given by we have s subscript n equals to n over 2 open square bracket 2a plus parenthesis n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, so where n, we have a to be the first term, okay, the first term of the arithmetic series. Then we have d to be the what? Common difference. So d is the common difference. N is the number of terms. That is the term number. Okay, the term number. Okay, so now, according to the question, the sum of the first 21 terms of an AP is 28. So which means for n equals to 21, okay, we have that s subscript 21 is equals to 28. For n equals to 28, because we have, and the sum of the first 28 terms is 21. So which means for n equals to 28, we have s subscript 28 to be what? 21, is 21, which is according to the question. All right, so which means, and we know that for s subscript 21, s subscript 21 will be 21 over 2 using the formula open square bracket 2a plus 21 minus 1 times d. Okay, so that this will be 21 over 2 equals to open square bracket 2a plus 20 times d. Okay, and this is equals to 28, which is according to the question. The sum of the first 21 terms of an AP is 28. So from what we have here, now I'm going to get equation 1 using this particular equation. Okay, so what I'll do next is I'm going to multiply by both sides. Multiplying both sides, okay, by 2 over 21. So we have 2 over 21 multiplied by 21 over 2. Okay, open square bracket 2a plus 20d, because I want to get rid of 21 over 2 on the left hand side. Then this will be equals to 28 multiplied by 2 over 21. So 21 cancels 21, then 2 cancel 2. So in this case, we have 28 divided by 7 is 4. Okay, 21 divided by 7 is 3. So 4 times 2, 8. We have 8 over 2. So which means the first equation will be 2a plus 20d equals to 8 over 3. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Again, we have that for n equals to 28, s subscript 28, which is the sum of the first 28 terms, is equals to 21. So the sum of the first 28 term, that will be 28 over 2, open square bracket 2a plus 28 minus 1 times d. That will be equals to 21. So 28 divided by 2 is 14. So that this will be 14 open square bracket 2a plus 27d equals to 21. So what to do from here is to divide both sides by 14. So that on the left hand side, we're going to have 14 divided by 14 multiplied by square bracket of 2a plus 27d equals to 21 divided by 14. So that this will be 2a plus 27d equals to, if you divide 21 by 7, that will be 3. Divide 14 by 7, this will be 2. Okay, so that this will be our equation 2. This is equation 2. All right, so what to do next is to um, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so subtract equation 1 from equation 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we take away equation 1 from equation 2, and that will be 2a minus 2a. This guy minus this guy, then plus 27d minus 20d equals to 3 over 2 minus 8 over 3. 8 over 3, then 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 minus 8 over 3. So this will be 0. 27d minus 20d, that will be 7d. Now the LCM of this will be 6, because this common multiple of 2 and 3 will be 6. So that 6 divided by 2 will be 3. 3 times 3, that will be 9. Then 6 divided by 3 will be 2. 2 times negative 8, that will be minus 16. Okay, so that 7d will be equals to minus 7 over 6. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to divide both sides, or let me just do it this way. I'm going to multiply this equation by 1 over 7. I'm going to multiply the equation by 1 over 7. So 1 over 7 times 7d, that will be d. Okay, negative 1 over 7 over 6. Negative 7 over 6 times 1 over 7. This will be minus 1 over 6. So the common difference is equals to minus 1 over 6. Okay, now also we need the first term. So let's calculate the first term. To calculate a, that's the first term. So I'm going to put d in any one of the equation. Now let me use equation 1. Substitute for d in equation 1. We have equation 1 here. This is equation 1. Equation 1 is 2a plus 20d equals to 8 over 3. So that this will be 2a plus 20 multiplied by d, which is negative 1 over 6 equals to 8 over 3. Then this will be 2a minus 20 over 6 equals to 8 over 3. Let me reduce this. This will be 2a minus, if you divide this by 2, this will be 10, and y this will be 3. So we have 8 over 3. So I'll take this over to the other side, so that 2a will be equals to 8 over 3 plus 10 over 3. 8 over 3 plus 10 over 3. So that 2a will be equals to 18 over 3. Okay, so that this will be 18 divided by 3, that's 6. So we have 2a to be equals to 6. Then the value of a will be 3 if we divide both sides by 2. Because here we have 2a equals to 6. 2a equals to 6. That is after we divide 18 by 3. So 2a equals to 6. Then the value of a is equals to 3. So now, we now have our common difference and first term. First term is now 3. Then the common difference is minus 1 over 6. minus 1 over 6. Minus 1 over 6. Okay. Now, we are asked to show that one term of the progression is 0 and to also find the sum of the preceding term. Now, what to do in this case is, if one term of the progression, okay, is equals to 0, so we can then use the nth term. Okay, we want to show, let me write this first, to show that one term of the progression, one term of the progression, one term of the progression is equals 0. Okay, so it means that because the nth term of an AP, the formula is the first term plus the product of parentheses number of terms, okay, minus 1 and the common difference. So when this is equals to 0, then the first term, which is 3, then I'll add it to parentheses n minus 1 times d, which is minus 1 over 6 equals to 0. Okay, so that this will be 3 minus, because minus times plus is minus. So this will be 3 minus 1 over 6 parentheses n minus 1 equals to 0. Now let me carry this guy over to the right hand side, so that it will be 1 over 6 parentheses n minus 1. Now I can multiply through this equation by 6. 6 times 3, this will be 18. 6 times 1 over 6 multiplied by n minus 1, that will be n minus 1. So that this n, when it crosses over to 1, when it crosses over to the left hand side, we're going to have 18 plus 1 equals to n. Then n equals to 19. So the 19th term is equals to 0, because we want to show that one term of the progression is equals to 0. So the 19th term, okay, the 19th term is equals to 0. Now, what is now the sum of the preceding term? That is the preceding term, 18. 18 is the term before 19. So we then look for the sum of the first, yes, the sum of the first 18 term. Sum of the first 18 term. So the sum of the preceding term, the preceding term, okay, that will be equals to sum of the first 18 terms of the what? AP, and that will be S18, S subscript 18 equals to 18 over 2, open square bracket, 2a plus 18 minus 1 multiplied by d. Let's not forget that the formula is still what? S subscript n equals to n over 2, open square bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. That's the formula. Okay, so that this will be 9, open square bracket, 2a plus 17d. We are looking for this guy, S subscript 18. So S subscript 18 will be 9, open parenthesis, 2 times a. The first term is 3. Then plus 17 multiplied by the common difference, which is 1 over 6. This guy. So that this will be 9, open parenthesis, 6 minus 17 over 6. Okay. So that 9, open parenthesis, 6 times 6 is 36 minus 17. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay. So that this will be S subscript 18 is 9 multiplied by 36 minus 17. That should be 19. That's 19. So we have 9 multiplied by 19 over 6. Okay, so we can have S subscript 18 to be, if I divide this by 3, I'll get 3. If I divide this also by 3, I'll get 2. So 19 over 2. So we have 3 times 19. So S subscript 18 will be 3 times 9, 7, carry 2. 3 times 1, 2, plus 2, 5. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2, that will be 5. Then over 2. So S subscript 18 is 57 over 2, which will be 28.5. That is the 18th term, which is the sum of the first 18th term. That is the preceding term in the progression. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.